What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very beautiful succulent that has been with me for a very long time. Now you can see the state of the succulent. It's not looking that great. The reason is because it is getting a pop, plus it's getting a bloom stalk. Now luckily this bloom stalk is not affected with any mealybugs, so I'm very thankful about it. But then I noticed that the mother plant is not looking that great how it looked earlier. I'll put up the image on the right hand side, and here as you can see it looks absolutely stunning. Very beautiful colors. This was taken some time back, but now because of the monsoon season, hardly any sun, the colors have gone missing. But apart from that, the shape of the succulent is also lost because it's getting a bloom stalk and then it's putting up a pup. So it's taking up a lot of energy from the mother plant. So I decided I will go ahead and cut off the bloom stalk because it's of no use to me. I will also collect the leaves that are present on the bloom stalk, because these leaves can also get propagated. Now a lot of people have asked me this question, can they cut the bloom stalk and put it into the soil? Will that give another succulent? Absolutely not. Most probably the bloom stalk might root. I'm not very sure. Some people have said that the bloom stalk tends to root, so probably it might root, but nothing is going to happen further than that. You're not going to be getting a new succulent that is going to come out from the bloom stalk. It most probably it might get some roots and probably it will start to dry out later on. But of course these leaves that you see on the stalk, now because this was a very large mother plant, so even the leaves on the bloom stalk are quite of a good size, so I will keep them aside and I'll try to propagate them. But apart from that, I noticed another major issue with this succulent, which I just noticed some time back. I don't know if it's going to be visible. I happened to see some poop over here, and there was some issue on this leaf as well. You can see this. Now this is not sunburn, but you will be able to see a visitor very soon. So this is how it looks very similar to sunburn. But if I'm going to give you a closer look of this leaf, you can see there is someone hiding inside the leaf. It has made a cavity and it is eating the leaf from within. So this is the poop. You can see it has entered inside the leaf. Apart from that, there is so many things going on with the succulent. You can see it is also root bound. The roots have started to come out from the drain hole. I'll have to do a repotting as well. So there is a lot going on with the succulent. I will do that one by one. I'll probably repot it in some other day. Right now I do not want to do it because it might happen to rain. So unfortunately we will have to take out that leaf. I do not want to touch that part, so I'm going to cut off the leaf into half, because anyways this leaf is not of any use to us anymore. Take it out. Now I have to keep this succulent as safe as possible because it has an open cut. I have ran out of cinnamon powder once again, so I'll have to get some more. And you can see this is how they have created the cavity. And I was wondering, why is this leaf turning brown like this? Because it has eaten up completely from inside. You can see this, the entire cavity. There's all poop inside the leaf, and this is that leaf. So I'm just gonna take it out. So here is that culprit. It's about to poop again. So here is the culprit. It's like all the leaf juice is coming out. So this is what has been eating the leaf. So I'm just gonna discard it. Anyways, this leaf is also gone off, so I'll have to throw this leaf as well. So this is very common during the monsoon season. So yes, the beautiful succulent did get damaged with this bug. Anyways, we will cut off the stalk. We will try to find a spot where we can cut. There we go. I think he had also entered into the Bloom-Stalk leaves as well, but that's absolutely fine. So we are going to collect these leaves. Now, again, we have to follow the same steps. Be gentle while taking out the leaves. Do not break them in half. They have to look like this. They're going to have a very different cut part. Ideally, on our leaf propagations, you might have seen when we take it from the mother plant directly, the cut is much more different than what it is on the Bloom-Stalk, because these are attached differently on the Bloom-Stalk. So I will keep these aside. I was not supposed to do any leaf propagation because of the monsoon season, but these are any which ways of no use to us. The Bloom-Stalk will be trashed off, so it's better to keep something aside. So I will take off all of these that are fresh, and the smaller ones I'm just going to toss them off. We don't need that many of them, so I'm going to toss this off, and I'm going to keep them on a dry surface for a couple of days, and if I see any changes or if there is anything happening, I will definitely keep you guys posted. So that was all about it. I will have to do a repotting probably after a month or so. I will do a repotting. I will let the cut part cure. A lot of damage done to the leaf, but nothing much can be done. That's the part and parcel of gardening. Pests do come in your garden, and that's absolutely fine. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.